from borrowed fear. Still something waits somewhere near. Dust on the mirror, light on the floor. Someone is knocking behind the door. Hands full of silence, eyes full of rain. Running in circles, calling your name. Every shadow looks the same. Every memory feeds the flame. Then the wire starts to sing like a forgotten kind of spring. Under all the endless noise, love remembers every voice. Love beneath the noise, calling through the wire. Love beneath the noise, lifting something higher. Every broken heart still belongs to light. Love beneath the noise, waiting through the night. Stone after stone we learn to hide. Built our kingdoms from wounded pride. Still a river ran below, quiet enough to never show. Every heartbeat knows the way, even when we walk away. There's a current under fear, growing stronger year by year. Every silence starts to fade. Love remembers how we're made. Love beneath the noise, calling through the wire. Love beneath the noise, lifting something higher. Every broken heart still belongs to light. Love beneath the noise, waiting through the night. No thunder, no command, only light inside a hand. No victory, no disguise, only mercy in our eyes. Love beneath the noise, calling us by name. Love beneath the noise, never left the flame. Every shattered soul finds the morning sky. Love beneath the noise never says goodbye.